Hello everyone. Today we discuss about the nucleic acid and enzyme. Firstly, we discuss about the nucleic acid. What are the nucleic acid? Nucleic acid are the long chain polymeric molecule, the monomer, the repeating molecule, the the repeating unit is known as the nucleotide, and hence sometimes nucleic acid are the referred to as the polynucleotides. Nucleotide divided into two. First is deoxyribose nucleic acid and uh, ribose nucleic acid. Means nucleic acid is divided into two types. First, we introduce about the uh, deoxyribonucleic acid, means DNA. Chemically, DNA is a composed of a pentose sugar, phosphoric acid, and some cyclic base contain nitrogen. The sugar moiety present in the DNA molecules is a beta 2 deoxyribose. The cyclic bases that have the nitrogen in them are the adenine, guanine, cytosine, and thymine. These base and their arrangement in molecule of the DNA play an important role in the storage of information from one generation to the next one. DNA has a double strand helical structure in which strands are complementary to each other. Then the second types of nucleic acid is ribonucleic acid, means RNA. The RNA molecule is also composed of phosphoric acid, a pentose sugar, and some cyclic base containing nitrogen. RNA has beta D ribose in as a sugar moiety. The heterocyclic bases present in RNA are adenine, guanine, cytosine, and uracil. In RNA, the fourth base is different from the uh, DNA. The RNA generally consists of the single strand, which sometimes fold back, that result in a double helix structure. There are three types of RNA molecule, each having a specific function. First is messenger RNA, it is also known as mRNA. Then the ribosomal RNA, it is also known as rRNA. Then the transfer RNA, it is a tRNA. Then the function of nucleic acid. Nucleic acid are responsible for the transmission of inheritance character from parent to offspring. They are responsible for the synthesis of protein in our body. DNA fingerprinting is a method used by forensic experts to determine the paternity. It is also used for the identification of the criminal. It has also played a major role in the study regarding biological evolution and genetics. Then we discuss about the enzyme. What are the enzyme? Enzyme can be defined as a biological polymers that catalyze biomolecule reaction. The majority of enzyme that protein with catalytic capabilities crucial to perform different processes, metabolic processes, and other chemical reaction in the cell are carried out by a set of enzymes that are necessary to sustain life. Enzyme structure. Enzymes are a linear chain of amino acid which give rise to three-dimensional structure. The sequence of amino acid specifies the structure, which is turn identifies the catalytic activity of the enzyme upon heating, and the enzyme structure denature, resulting in a loss of enzyme activity, which typically is associated with temperature. The classification of enzyme is into oxidoreductase, transferase, hydrolyzase, lysase, isomerase, ligase, and cofactors. Firstly, we discuss about the oxy oxidoreductase. This catalyzes oxidation and reduction reaction. Example, pyruvate dehydrogenation, catalyzing the oxidation of pyruvate to acetyl coenzyme A. Then the transferase. This catalyst transferring of the chemicals group from one another compound. An example is transminase, which transfer an amino group from one molecule to another. Hydrolyzase, the catalyze the hydrolysis of a bond. For example, the enzyme pepsin hydrolyzes peptide bond in a protein. Lysis, this catalyzes the breakage of bond without the catalysis. Example, aldolase enzyme in glycolysis. Isomerase, the catalyze the formation of an isomer of a compound. Example, phosphoglutamate. Then the ligase catalyze are the associated two molecules. For example, DNA ligase catalyze the joining of two fragments and DNA forming of the phosphodiester bond. Then the last is a cofactor. Cofactor are the non-proteinous substance that associate with the enzyme. A cofactor is essential for the functioning of a enzyme. The protein part of enzyme is cofactor, is a coenzyme, and a enzyme and its cofactor together constitute of a holoenzymes. It is thank you. It is all about the enzyme and nucleic acid.